Did you know that YouTube has an interesting feature that can enhance your viewing experience? It's called Ambient Mode, a function that provides subtle lighting around the video, creating a more pleasant visual experience. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate this option and enjoy an even better display of video content. So, let's get started. First, open your YouTube app. Right after you open it, find the video you want to watch and start playing it. When the video begins to play, you'll see a gear icon in the upper right corner of the video. Tap it to open the settings menu. In that menu, tap on the option for additional settings. When you open the additional settings, you will see the Ambient Mode option. Tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Immediately after you turn it on, you will notice subtle lighting appearing around the video, creating a more enjoyable atmosphere for watching. If you want to maximize the ambient mode, it's best to turn your phone horizontally, which will further enhance the lighting effect. And that's all for this short video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.